Guys, good morning. Rain beat my snails yesterday. As rain fall, man, we beat them. So let me bring them out. Okay. See them more. Then the verse. Then go say, sorry, I'm using one hand. Oh, there's egg. See. Wow. Hey, yeah. Then let me find something and bring them out. Wow. These guys, they give me eggs anyhow. And the preservation might be my problem now. I don't know what to do. Hey, see eggs. Wow. How do I bring it out? Okay. I pray make I see. Hey, and I did not bring their small rubber spoon. Let me leave them here first. After I'll come and take it. Not be small water egg. They give me water eggs over here. No see them. Wow. I'm coming. I'm gonna look for rubber spoon and then pull them. Hey, don't worry, you people. I'll get you people this morning. Me on no verse, I sleep carry on, mama. Kai. See them. Okay, I will leave them here for some time. Maybe breeze touch them small. Hey, sorry, okay. On no verse for me. I sleep carry me. I'll make a no bet too now. Okay, no problem. As soon as I done feel cold already, I just put soup, food, and all that. Okay? Alright, guys. Save out there.